Hello, everyone. Welcome back to AlokIQ.
Today, we are going to learn a simple and natural English conversation on a phone call.
So, let's start. Hello, may I speak to Emily, please?
Hi, David. Yes, this is Emily speaking.
Oh, hi, Emily. How are you?
I'm good. Thanks for asking. What about you?
I'm doing well. Am I calling at a good time?
Yes, it's perfectly fine. I was just relaxing.
Great. I just wanted to talk about tomorrow's presentation.
Yes, I was thinking about that too. Are you ready?
Almost. I've prepared my part, but I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, you always speak confidently.
Thanks, that means a lot. Have you completed your slides?
Yes, I finished them last night. I can send them to you if you want.
That would be helpful. Please send them on WhatsApp.
Sure, I'll send them in a few minutes.
By the way, what time should we reach the college tomorrow?
The presentation starts at 10 a.m., so we should reach by 9:30.
That sounds good. Let's meet near the main gate.
Okay, I'll be there on time.
Also, don't forget to bring the printed copies.
Yes, I've already printed them.
Perfect. I'm feeling more confident now.
See, a small discussion clears everything.
You're right. Communication is very important.
Absolutely. Is there anything else you want to discuss?
Actually, yes. After the presentation, do you want to grab lunch?
That's a great idea. We deserve a treat after all this hard work.
Exactly. There's a new cafe near the campus.
Sounds interesting. Let's go there.
Done. I'm really looking forward to tomorrow.
Me too. Everything will go smoothly.
Thank you for your time, Emily.
You're welcome, David. Thanks for calling.
Okay then, I'll see you tomorrow.
See you. Take care.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
I hope you enjoyed this phone call conversation.
Practice this dialogue to improve your English speaking.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Alok IQ.
See you in the next video.